Hi everyone, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative, and today I'm going to be using the Thankful for You gift tag stack and the coordinating gift tag stack die set to create a fun little set of gift cards, or gift tags rather, that I'm going to use for my son. My son is in kindergarten, and I like to send him little gifts in his backpack sometimes. I send him to school every day with a card. Sometimes I like to switch it up a little bit and do something unexpected. So I will create these tags and have them in my stash. Now what's great about any of the gift tag stack stamp sets, there's 3 of them now, one for Halloween, one for Christmas, and then this Thankful for You is fall themed. It's one large 4x4 stamp that's going to stamp out the outlines for 6 tags, and then you're going to be able to die cut all 6 tags all at once with the gift tag stack die. So I went ahead and used some coffee bean hybrid ink, and I stamped out those tags. Now I'm grabbing some cute little critters from the Campfire Friends stamp set, and I'm going to color these up along with those images on the Thankful for You gift tag stack stamp set. I'm keeping my coloring very simple as I always do, but especially simple because of these Campfire Friends Pocket Pals. They're very small, so you don't need a whole lot of coloring skills, which is great for me because I'm very simple when I color, and I don't really, I'm not a colorist. That's not where my strongest skill is. So that's why I love these little Pocket Pal critters. They're so easy to color. I colored them up in traditional warm forest friends colors, and I'm also going to be using some traditional fall colors on the gift tags. So I'm coloring these leaves with some red, some orange, some yellows. Same thing with the pumpkin, sticking to oranges and yellows, and now I'm going to cut them out. I colored these up so quickly and so easily. I'm going to grab that gift tag stack die, and all you need is this one die, and that's going to coordinate with any of the gift tag stack stamp sets. I'm going to line this up so that those triangle registration marks line up with my die, and then cut these out. And I'm going to have 6 perfect tags. Now I'm going to do something a bit different with these. I'm going to actually be adhering them back to back so that each side is pretty, so that I can put a little critter on one side and a little note to my son on the back. So I have already gone ahead and added those critters with some foam tape, and now I'm just going to use some tape runner adhesive, and I'm going to stick these back to back. I made an oopsie. I did not yet adhere those critters. I thought that I had, but I decided to adhere the tags back to back first. Then I'm going to grab some twine. I used some natural colored, it's not quite baker's twine, but it's kind of like that. And I'm just going to loop it around a couple times so that it is, I think it's 4 ply. And then I'm going to loop that around on itself and trim these down so that each one of those little strands is a different length. I think that gives it some organic feel to it. And I'll repeat that with each of the tags, and then I'm going to write a note to my son on the back of each of these, and then I'm just going to keep them in my stash. And you'll see at the end of this video some examples. He has a huge sweet tooth, especially he loves lollipops and he loves M&Ms. So I raided the Halloween stash and I grabbed some prop products for just so you could see how I would kind of give these to him for special occasions. If I'm giving them to him in school, I would probably just glue them onto a pack of fruit snacks or something like that. I don't send him to school with huge candy bars. I don't want the other kids to be jealous, but here's how I would adhere them to a little sweet treat for him. I just grab a piece of washi tape and just stick it down over that twine, and now I have cute little tags to go on some sweet treats for him. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this quick idea using these gift tag stacks. Remember that these would be great for place cards for any kind of like fall meal that you're having together, like Thanksgiving or any family gathering. I think these would be perfect for that too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, Please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now, and here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.